and visit Mackinac Island. But it's about a 10-hour drive, so we're going to stop halfway. We're going to stop and boondock overnight halfway at the RV Manufactured Home Hall of Fame. We're going to stay tonight, and in the morning we're probably going to go take a tour of the place. Hopefully we'll get to go in and see the bird and a few other cool things. So
don't forget about the stickers on the back of the camper.
yes. We have details on the back of the camper now, so if you see us going down the road, there's a gigantic decal with our logo right next to a giant QR code that
you can't miss it.
Yeah, it takes up the entire back of our camper, these two things.
We'll cut away and show you some footage of that.
Yeah, us putting those giant decals on. These giant decals were very intimidating, but as it turns out, good quality decals go on like butter.
All the way over here. Ready? We'll feel it.
I only need that one.
The QR code will, if you scan it, going down the road, it'll take you directly to the YouTube channel. So we'll see if we get any new subscribers or views, or somebody just going on there to comment telling us,
You drive too slow.
yeah, you drive too slow, get out of the way.
Get out of the way, you idiot.
So if you see us on the road, be sure to hop on there and tell us hi and let us know where you saw us. Be interesting to see who sees us and where.
That's cool.
So yeah. But today we are going up Interstate 65 north through Indiana. Stop overnight at Elkhart and finish up the trip tomorrow, going up through Michigan to the top of the Mint. So
stick with us.
yes.
Got lots of footage. It's kind of overcast and cloudy right now, but the weather is expected to be pretty nice this week.
Yes, it's going to be really nice up there. We've checked. It's supposed to be sunny and low to mid 70s. So
Yep. As long as the weatherman wasn't lying again, we're in good shape.
yeah.
Cool. What's your name?
I'm Daryl.
Daryl?
I'm the president here.
Oh,
Yeah.
awesome.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm Stuart.
This
This
is
is Jen.
Evan.
This is little Evan. We're going full time. This is our first stop on our full time.
All right. So you're a full-time RV.
We are.
What kind of RV do you have?
We got a Grand Design Imagine. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. What? Holy Moses. So that's not a new idea. It's got the leg underneath of it to support it.
Wait, I found it.
In 1916.
So
Wow.
slide outs are not
It's a
new.
slide out. It's dovetailed.
Come here.
That is so wicked. That is wicked cool.
There they are.
Hey.
I was looking for you. If you wanted to see a sneak preview of the MH Museum, I could take you through about 70% of it. You could see the first part of it, and you could see the new units.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that
Yeah.
would
Yeah, that'd be
that
great.
would be awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll give everybody a preview.
I say you start with the covered wagon.
Oh wow, this is so awesome.
So you can hear the fire crackling if you
Yeah.
standing right here. All that.
Yeah.
You probably, I don't know if you know that Elkhart was a music capital of the world as far as musical instruments go.
Really?
And if you stand right here, actually Louis Armstrong is playing. This is a Spartan from 1955.
Come here, buddy.
You can go in this one. Everything that's in there is 1955 era.
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow, look at the carpet. Spacious.
See the fish up there that we caught in the pond? See here?
Look.
You caught them.
This is like a 78, which is the year that HUD got involved.
This is so neat.
You go in there, I think you'll see Raggedy Ann and Andy. Is that
Yeah.
in there? So
Yeah. That is so neat.
it kind of takes you through time. See the Golden Gate Bridge up there? Yeah, this is now
Awesome.
the bridge to new units. Now people come in and say, is this really a factory-built home?
Right.
It's
Wow.
called a cross mod. I show you the garage and something that's pretty spectacular. This is Clayton Homes. And they
Really?
built a new factory about 3 years ago south of here. All of the scrap from building this home fit in those two containers.
This is incredible. Thank you so much. Yeah, when we hit Roots again, we might have to get.
Yes.
Oh wow.
I already checked out.
Oh, and there's an office. Wow.
Thanks for touring.
The corner office.
I already checked.
Got the corner office. Yeah.
Yo, they have a trade.
With the really good view.
This is a double wide by Champion Skyline.
Champion Skyline.
They're here.
But these are all produced here in Elkhart.
Yep.
That's amazing.
Well, 82% of all the RVs are made within 50-mile radius of where you're standing.
That's crazy.
And last year that was over 600,000.
Yeah, we're pretty fortunate to be Hoosiers because we traveled, I think, an hour and a half to get our RV brand new.
Well, this is just a 16 single wide. They
I
call it
got you.
16 by 80, but when you take the tongue off the front,
Right.
it's actually 16 by 76.
I gotcha. This is a single wide? Wow.
Pretty spacious single wide.
I was gonna say this
Think of what
is.
you were in the 70s.
They used every square inch of it, didn't they? Open kitchen, huge bar. It's set up well. Isn't that neat?
And then this is SpaceX.
Nice.
NASA, so that's an actual duplicate of the space capsule.
Wow. Look, we're going to go in a rocket.
You're on the way to Mars.
Yay.
You look up here, there's a TV. When you look up, you see like you're in the cockpit. And now you're coming back out to the supplier section.
Well, thank you so much.
So that gives you an idea of
That's a behind the scenes look right there.
what's coming, yeah.
That's awesome. It's so great that you guys do this. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll walk with you just a little bit. That's all right.
You let him walk on his shoes. You walk on yours.
I got 9 great-grandkids just about your size.
Oh,
I don't know if you ever saw this, but this was on
yes.
Bird.
Yep. KYD. Yep.
And he's donated it. It's going to be here for at least a year. It's created a lot of attention.
Yes. Yes.
Well, I got to go.
All right. Well, thank you so
Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
And you. And you, Evan. You enjoy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you so much. The horn. Glad they don't have that hooked up because that'd be hitting.
I hope they don't have that hooked up.
You remember watching them on TV?